When the federal government alerts Oregon another batch of COVID vaccine is on the way, the state does not actually take delivery, but instead tells Pfizer or Moderna where to send it and how much to send. And according to OHA officials, it also tells the agency getting the doses to save half for the second booster shot that each vaccine requires. For some, that just makes good sense, ethically and practically.
If we're going to follow the science, it makes sense to hold some of the vaccines back to ensure that other people will have the second dose.
Many public health directors support the strategy as well.
So we are sticking to a priority of ensuring that everyone who starts the vaccine series is able to finish the vaccine series.
But it also means there are hundreds of thousands of fewer shots available for new people. As of Tuesday, the Oregon Health Authority reported the state has received 589,000 doses, but used just 325,000, roughly 55%. And now, with seniors and even some medical workers in Group 1A forced to get in line behind teachers, those extra doses are a big deal. Some, including retired biochemistry professor Ken Blumenthal, think it's a terrible idea to hold back the doses.
So why hold them back, I guess, is where I come to. Because honestly, the vaccine sitting in the freezer doesn't do anybody any good, right? If you want to protect people, you need to get it into them. If you want to protect the society, you got to cut down on the number of viruses.
He contacted us, frustrated over the state's plans. Blumenthal points out the federal government is ramping up shipments to states, including Oregon, by 16% each week for the next 3 weeks. Blumenthal and others believe the supply will continue to grow even after that.
Obviously, I have a vested interest in this, right? I'm 75 years old, and I would be eligible fairly soon, although right now I have no idea because Oregon has not done a good job of making this transparent at all.
We learned late today the OHA is sending an additional 17,000 doses of COVID vaccine to the Tri-County area next week, reserved for people in the 1A category. Interestingly, it doesn't seem any is being held aside for the second shot. In Northeast Portland, Pat Doris, KGW News.